Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? On the L plus ham. On the lamb. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Cymraeg.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you very much. This pretty lady on my left is our returning champion. She's a singer and a dancer, and she's also won $11,500 on Classic Concentration. Colleen Callbacker. Good to have you back. Competitive lady. Plays the game well, so you have to watch out. This is our newcomer. His name is Wayne Schoenfeld.
Yes.
Hiya, Wayne. Good to have you here. Where are you from?
I'm from born and raised in the Valley in
The Valley of No Return, the San Fernando Valley?
San Fernando Valley, and I'm a mortgage broker. And looking forward to knocking off our defending champion. She's been here a little bit too long, so.
Oh.
I don't think so. I like this chair.
She likes that chair. You heard her.
Yes.
So watch out, Wayne. Take a look over here. Here's something great for any home, no matter where you live.
Fully hand-carved solid wood construction and convenient layout of internal spaces makes this Colonial Heirlooms armoire a grand addition to any decor furnished by Colonial Heirlooms. Alex.
Colleen and Wayne, take a look at our board. We'll show you where you'll find that armoire at number 6. We have a holiday on the island of Nevis. Wayne?
Ooh, yes.
That's somewhere out there in the off the east coast, and head south forever until you find beautiful weather, and then you just park it on the island and enjoy yourself.
Sounds great to me. Let's
Two numbers.
Let's see if I can find it under number 7.
Gold braided bracelet.
Well, I could sure use that if it's a men's. How about the match for number 19?
Is it there? Yes.
Yeah!
Man is ready.
I'm ready.
Open it up. Not quite ready to give us a solution,
Not quite ready
so
yet.
pick again.
All right, let's go for that trip under number 3.
Armoire.
Armoire, and we just saw that at number 22.
Don't think so.
No,
Colleen, where did we see the armoire? Tell him.
Under number 6, please.
That's right.
And number 3.
You have it.
Yeah.
There's the match for the lady. She likes this chair. Remember, she said it.
It's comfortable.
Open it up.
Is it Howdy Doody?
Is it Howdy Doody? No.
Number 21, please.
Car alarm system.
Gotta get a car. And
That's
number
right.
5, please.
Popcorn popper. Doesn't matter whether you get the alarm first or the car.
Really?
As long as you get them both. Wayne.
I'm still going for that trip. Let's try number 8.
Silver candlesticks.
How about the match under number 9, right next door?
No, there's the island of Nevis.
There it is.
Colleen.
Number 20, please.
Wild card.
And number 9, please.
Boy, those vacations sure go quickly on this program. The other island of Nevis is in the upper left-hand corner at number 1.
Takes are still there.
Takes are still in play. Yes, indeed, Wayne.
It's
but
vicious.
right now, Colleen gets to study the puzzle a little bit more. Select again.
Number 23, please.
Red take.
And number 8, please.
Silver candlesticks. No match.
Let's see if I can find the other red take under number 11.
There's a wild card.
How about number 23 for the match?
Red take. The other one.
I'm so
14.
sorry, Colleen.
It's okay.
I'm so
That's
sorry. Isle of Nevis can come this way.
All right,
Thank you.
Obviously,
Yes.
you want it now, so we'll give it to him now.
Thank you.
And the green one will remain in play on the board, but 3 doors will swing open to help Wayne solve this puzzle.
That part don't have
Pick
yet.
again.
Okay, how about another wild card under number 21?
Car alarm system.
Oh, we saw that under number 21. How about number 15 for the match?
No, his and her mountain bikes is what we have there. Colleen?
Like those. Number 12, please.
Green take.
Haha, I like that. Number 17, please.
His and her tennis wear. Wayne.
Okay, how about number 4, please?
Wild card.
How about number 16, please?
Silver candlesticks. We saw that a few moments ago at position number 8. That's another prize for you. Did you notice, Colleen, that when Wayne uncovered the wild card,
Look at my board.
he looked at your board
know.
immediately because he
I
was
know.
looking at the other take, the green
Right.
take.
But I didn't see anything I wanted, so
Yeah.
I kind of give you a
That's all
break.
right.
Okay?
But you could that green take had
Might
you
come
gone
back to
for
haunt
it.
me. I know, I thought about
might
that
come back to
afterwards.
haunt you because you could have picked up the armoire and prevented Colleen from ever taking your
know.
holiday on the island of Nevis.
Trying
But-
to be nice.
All right. Well, let's see if it works for you. 3 doors swinging open. Check it out, Wayne.
How do you get there from here?
How do you get there from here? Well, first of all, you get out on Bob Hope Drive here in Burbank, and then you turn left. Go again.
All right, well, I still need to find that green take. How about number 17, please?
His and her tennis wear.
Where do we see that? How about number 24, please?
No, there's the green take. Colleen?
Oh, man, she's spacing here. All right, number 21, please.
Ooh, car alarm system.
What's the thing
You're
with that
in love with that car alarm system.
Number 2, please.
His and her mountain bikes. Wayne,
How about number 12?
green take.
Number 24. Yes. Yes.
Now he gets excited. Now he gets excited.
Yes.
You want the armoire?
All right, let's go for the armoire. Why not? Why not? Sorry.
That's okay.
He wants the armoire. Give him the armoire. And open these 2 panels for Wayne. Go again.
Can I see number 15, please?
His and her mountain bikes.
Was that under number 17?
No. That's the tennis wear. Colleen.
Number 2, please.
Mountain bikes.
And number 15, please.
Mountain bikes. Colleen, you've got 1 strike against you. You know that. So in order to stay with us on the program, you have to win this game. Go again.
Number 18, please.
Popcorn popper.
And number 5, please.
Popcorn popper. A little bit more. Select.
Number 22, please.
Entertainment Center.
And number 25, please.
His and her tennis wear. Wayne.
I'd like to see number 13, please.
Car alarm.
Number 21, please.
Car alarm. Wayne, can you solve it?
Is it, how do you like that?
Well, I think you're going to like that a lot. How do you like that, he says. Wayne, the giant killer. Colleen was a good champion. Good player. Come on over there, Wayne.
All right, you got the how, and then the do, and then the you, and then the L with the I is and the K is like, and the TH with the hat is how do you like that?
How do you like that? You're going to like it. Sure you will. Colleen, second strike against you, unfortunately, but you've got some cash. You've got a holiday in Hawaii. You've got a holiday in Costa Rica.
Right.
Good selection there for a possible site for a honeymoon that's coming up before too long.
Definitely.
And $11,500 in your trousseau. So congratulations, and good luck with your singing and dancing career, too. So long, Colleen.
Sorry.
Now let's hear about your prizes. Gene.
Silver Candlesticks, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select silver candlesticks or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores. Furnished by Service Merchandise and a car alarm system. You may guard against car theft with this Ains auto alarm system. It features a motion detector, ignition cutoff, and current sensor. Furnished by Ains Electronics and a gold braided bracelet. Today's fashion elegance, a triple strand braided bracelet. a highly polished finish of Italian 14-karat gold from the Michael T. Fina Company, and the Island of Nevis. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you may enjoy a 6-night stay for 2 on the enchanting and unspoiled Caribbean island of Nevis. Relax at the Rest Haven Inn on a white sand beach. Excellent cuisine, gracious hospitality, and courteous service are yours, furnished by Rest Haven Inn. And, of course, the elegant armoire. And Wayne, get ready to let out a shout of joy, because these prizes total a big number, $5,310.
Yes, indeed. And the man's going to play for a brand new car right after this break. All right, Wayne, as you know, the odds are against you first time out because you're operating with base time of 35 seconds, but we've had a number of players get lucky in this round and win a car just like that. Let's see if you can do it. 15 numbered squares, 35 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
5, 6.
No.
3, 6.
No.
7. 4.
No.
8. 9.
No.
10. 6.
Yes.
11. 8.
Nope.
12. 7.
No.
4. 13.
No.
14.
You said 4.
14.
That worked.
I fell into that one.
You fell into it, but that's all right. You didn't fall into your win in the game, and you picked up $5,310 in prizes there, and that's a good beginning for you. Okay. We'll take a break, and we'll put you into game number 2 against the new opponent right after this. Welcome back. Our new player has just arrived bearing a good luck piece of money, I guess, is what you call it. It's kind of strange because it says the Japanese government, and yet it says 1 peso. So there is something strange going on in the mind of this lady, Deborah Cowler. Tell me about this, Deborah. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Well, I'm originally from a suburb of Cleveland, Ohio.
They print this money in Cleveland?
No, my grandmother gave it to me, and I keep anything she gives me. She said it'll bring me money, so I'll keep it.
Has it brought you good luck and fortune
so far? So far.
Yeah?
Recently now, I am a resident of beautiful Southern California, and I carry this with me, and it got me through the desert safely.
All right, so nothing but good things have been happening to you.
Yes.
Terrific. Well, let's go to work and see what happens in this first game of your match against Wayne. Take a look at this prize.
The Sharp VHS camcorder with 12 times variable speed power zoom lens plus high-speed electronic shutter and editing functions furnished by Sharp. Alex.
Beautiful prize, and we will show Deborah and Wayne where they can find it on our board. It's at number 7. We've upped the ante in the cash pot. We're up to $600. We have a holiday in Lake Tahoe, Deborah, and you get to go first.
Okay, let's try number 16.
Well, there's a diamond and pearl ring.
See if I can find a match behind number 8.
Cash pot, that's the 600. No match. Wayne?
I could use $600 for my new vacation, so how about number 19?
Complete kitchen.
As compared to an incomplete kitchen.
That's right. That's what I usually say. Stop stealing my lines.
How about number 2 for the match?
I don't have that many, you know. Video camera. No match for you, but a possible upcoming match for Deborah.
Can I see number 7, please?
Video camera.
And the match at number 2?
That's it. Early match for the lady. And a first look at the puzzle. Go again.
Can I see what's behind number 18, please?
Washer and dryer.
Washer and dryer, okay. Number 6 for a wild card or a match?
Executive gift basket. No match there. Wayne.
All right, now how about number 23, please?
Lake
Tahoe.
Tahoe.
How about the wild card under number 20?
Is it there? No, that's the executive gift basket we
Let's
just
see
saw.
if I was paying attention. Number 6.
Gift basket.
And number 20 for the match?
The match is right. Good. Hey, this thing works. Open it up. Pick again.
Number 4, please.
telephone and answering machine unit.
Yes, I get lots of calls. Need that. Number 15, please.
There's a wild card, which means an automatic match for you. The other telephone and answering machine unit is at 17. 3 more panels opening up for Deborah. Pick again.
Let's see the upper right-hand corner, number 5.
Red tape.
Is there a match behind number 9?
There is if you come up with a wild card. The other tape, number 12. Poor Wayne hasn't had a chance to put any prizes up there, so you'll keep this for insurance, and we will open 3 more panels. Deborah?
Nothing. Number 3, please.
Cash pot.
Was that at number 8?
Yes. All right, for Deborah. Open it up. Select.
Number 21.
Complete kitchen.
Was that at number 24?
No. Green take. Wayne.
How about number 23, please?
Lake Tahoe getaway.
I love that, and I just want to come back to it. How about number 16 for the match, please?
No, that's a diamond and pearl ring. Deborah.
Can I see number 19, please?
That is the complete kitchen.
And a match at number 21.
That also is a complete kitchen. 2 more doors for Deborah. Go again.
Number 1.
Washer and dryer.
Was that at number 18?
Washer and dryer. Yes. Looks like you're going to see an important part of this puzzle. Is it?
Is it a penny?
Go ahead, complete it.
Is it a penny for your thoughts?
A penny for your thoughts. Come on, Deborah. Bring that bill. Don't lose that. Explain this puzzle.
Okay, we have the ape here. I couldn't tell, was that a man in a tree or what? An ape, a hen, the knee, and a 4 for a penny. The Y plus the or for your, TH plus hot, and Z, thoughts. A penny for your thoughts.
Penny for your thoughts. Nicely done. The ruling, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, if the contestant begins solving the puzzle before the buzzer, then we hear them out, we get their response, and in this case it was right. And that means that, Wayne, you've got 1 strike against you, so we'll wheel you off for just a little bit, and we'll put Deborah to the test, trying to win a brand new car. But first, we want to tell her about all of her prizes, and she's won a bundle, hasn't she, Gene?
Right, Alex. A cash pot worth $600, a telephone answering machine, and a complete kitchen. This Whirlpool kitchen features a designer-style side-by-side refrigerator freezer with flexible storage and easy-to-clean features, a portable dishwasher with power clean washing system, and in-the-door silverware basket, and an easy clean-up electric range with electronic touch controls and a solid-state meal timer clock, furnished by Whirlpool, and a washer and dryer. The RCA extra-large capacity washer features programmed washing, variable water level control, and special delicate wash cycle. The matching RCA dryer automatically senses when clothes are dry. It also features an adjustable end-of-cycle signal and easy-to-clean lint filter furnished by RCA, and an executive gift basket, a Tisket-a-Tasket year-round national gift-giving service, custom designed for any occasion, a basket filled with an exciting collection of gifts furnished by a Tisket-a-Tasket, and, of course, the handsome video camera. And, Deborah, this is a prize package worth an even bigger number, $6,995.
Obviously, these Japanese pesos work. We'll be back to see if she can win a brand new car following these messages. I was just telling Deborah that with that Japanese peso and her brains and her powers of concentration, she could very well win a brand new car right now. So let's get to it. 15 numbered squares, base time on the clock. Since this is your first time at it, Deborah, 35 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3.
Nope.
4, 6.
Nope.
7, 9.
No.
1, 9.
Right.
10, 3.
Right. No, sorry.
11, 3.
That's it.
12, 5.
No.
13, 6,
Yes.
4, 15.
No.
5, 15.
Right.
2, 14.
No.
8, 2,
No.
12.
I think the 8-14 was the combination you wanted. And if you make a couple of mistakes when you're dealing with bass time, it's very tough. But you've got $6,995 after just one win. And you may wind up here again if you defeat Wayne the second time. We'll take a break. We'll come back after this. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Bushnell's Wide View Spectator Binoculars, Insta-Focus System, and Poro Prism. A perfect choice for sporting events. Get every dramatic, action-packed moment furnished by Bushnell. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Arthur, you stand very close to me because my insecurities are starting to work on me. This is the second lady we've had in the winner's circle this week who is taller than I am. How tall are you, Deborah?
5'11 and a half.
See, she's 5'11 and a half.
I know.
Colleen was about the same height.
That's the only reason you keep me around, because I'm shorter than
You
you are.
bet. I want to feel like a big man. We'll see you all tomorrow.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.